Hi folks, this is Terry and Janet in Caslow Penny Lane Studios. Really happy to be with you today on a beautiful August day in 2025 in Caslow, British Columbia. We're going to do a song called A Walk in the Irish Rain by the Irish Descendants from Newfoundland. And we hope you enjoy it. When the sun goes down over Dublin town, the colours last for hours, oh. Lights come on and the night's a song, the streets all turn to gold. A gentle mist called Heaven's Kiss, teardrops off an angel's wing. Don't you know it'll cleanse your soul with a walk in the Irish rain? Oh, Catherine, take my hand, I've got £3 and change, and I'll sing you songs of love again when I get too drunk to sing. We'll walk in the Irish rain. Forevermore I'll step to shore, my sailing days are over, oh. Time and tide and by your side, together we'll grow old. I threw my seed bag in the bin, brought these pretty flowers home. Kiss me, Kate, we'll celebrate before the bloom is gone. Oh, Catherine, take my hand, I've got £3 and change, and I'll sing you songs of love again when I get too drunk to sing. We'll walk in the Irish rain. Tinker and a tailor and a drunken old sailor all got together and they start to play. Time sits still while they sing their fill, oh, shout till the break of day. Sweet little lady with a glass of stout, sipping it down while the phone runs out. She'll help her old man home again with a walk in the Irish rain. Oh, Catherine, take my hand, I've got £3 and change, and I'll sing you songs of love again when I get too drunk to sing. We'll walk in the Irish rain. Oh, Catherine, take my hand, I've got £3 and change, and I'll sing you songs of love again when I get too drunk to sing. We'll walk in the Irish rain. We'll walk in the Irish rain. Take care of each other. We'll see you next time.